guys, we just made it to the pond, so we're gonna start off throwing frog, drop shot, and jig. As you can probably tell, the wind is howling. We just had a major front come through, so I don't know what's gonna do to the fishing, but I'm pretty sure we can get a few. So enjoy the episode, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let's get into it. Okay, frog didn't work. Let's go with the jig. Water's a little bit stained. I like that jig. Oh, got him. He hit it while I was swimming it in. That's a good one. Oh, he ate that. Look at that, guys. Look how he ate that jig. Alright guys, got our first fish here on a swamp crawlers flipping jig with a rage crawl trailer. He ate it. I mean, look at the way he got that. He ate it. I wasn't, ow. He's got sharp teeth. Might be eating bait fish in here. But yeah, first fish. Awesome. I'm gonna let him go now. All right, though, dude. Nice. Awesome. Whew. Oh, got it. There he is. That's a good one. Really good one. Oh, he smoked that jig. Come here. Come here. Oh, he smoked it going down. There he is. Barely had it, but I still got him. Barely hooked. Whew. Just felt one little boom, and he was on it. That's a chunker right there, probably about half a pound. See a little infection right there. Maybe someone caught him before. Good fish. Good fish. There you go, dude. Oh, this water's warm. Yeah. Whew. Awesome. Oh my God. Yeah, he's got it. What? You're kidding me. Sucker's right ready to poop it out. He hit it going down. They're on this corner right here. It was falling, he just, boom, hammered it. Kidding me. There's 2 bites in that same little area. As soon as it got in there. So, I don't know, these fish might be pre-spawn or post-spawn or spawning. I don't know. Not a bass pro. God, I can't believe he missed it. He hit it going down. That's 3 bites I've had. I had 1 up there, 2 right here. Man, I don't know. You would think every time you throw it in there, they would bite it. But maybe I'm fishing it too fast. Throw it right up in there. Oh, here's one. Oh my God, what? Dude, you're kidding me. I had that sucker pinned. Oh my God. Guys, you tell me what I'm doing wrong. I mean, am I at the wrong setup? Got 14-pound mono, medium light rod. Oh, did he bite again? Yeah, he's on it. There, got him that time. Or am I just a goober and missing fish? He swiped at it though. Yes! I finally got you. They're all chunky. He's got crawfish antenna sticking out of his mouth, so I'm throwing the right thing. Today we're gonna be flipping, son. Later, fish. Yeah, I think the first one's bigger though, because he had some weight to him. But y'all tell me if I'm doing anything wrong here, because I'm not the best at bass fishing. So I'd appreciate some tips. Don't. Uh-oh. Another one. There he is. Little bass. How did you even get that? Later, bud. Swimming the jig again. Oh my God. Well, not a little one. Swimming the jig. See if he jumps. That's one to jump. Jump, bud. There he goes. Come on. There you go. Big head, little body. Pretty fish. Come on. See if there's a big one over there. He hit it like he was big. There it goes. Another one. Just smashing this jig. Not that big. But I'll take them. I'll take them any day of the week. I'll take them. Bye, fishy. Oh my God. What is that? It's a crappie. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at the size of this. God, I'm gonna go wait. Oh my God. That's my PB crappie. This place is stacked with giant crappie. Look at this. Oh my God. So 0.91 kgs. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that crappie. Oh my God, and they're busting over there too. God, guys, look at this. I'm gonna get a picture with this guy real quick. Okay, guys. This giant crappie, man. That's ridiculous. That's my PB crappie. Guaranteed. We're gonna make sure he swims off good, because we want tanks to live. Oh God, my boot just clearly went in the water. Oh. Come on, Mr. Crappie. I just fell in for you, so please swim off. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Oh, awesome. Yeah, PV crappie.